Welcome to Choco International. I am Nilamata speaking. This is 7-layer architecture OSI model for civil service main electrical examination gate and engineer service examination. Protocol means convention. When computers need to communicate with each other, either to exchange information or for sharing common resources, they must agree to and use a common protocol so that difference in topologies, architecture, physical properties, hardware characteristics are hidden from each other. In the absence of common protocol, different computers and computer networks would not able to communicate with each other. There are number of requirements for data communication such as data transmission, flow control, error control, routing, data compression, encryption, etc. It is unwise to club all these features in a single piece of software. So OSI model communication protocol defines the 7 such layers: physical, data link, network, transport sessions, presentation and application. Each layer has interface with adjacent layer and perform specific functions. When a system wants to share a data with another workstation or send a request over the network, it is received by the application layer. Data then proceeds to the lower layers after processing till it reaches the physical layer. At the physical layer, the data is actually transferred and received by the physical layer of the destination workstation. Thus, the data proceeds to upper layer after processing till it reaches the application layer, or at the application layer, data or request is shared with the workstation. So, each layer has opposite function for source and destination workstation. For example, a data link layer of the source workstation adds start and stop flags to the frames, but same layer of the destination workstation will remove the start and stop flag from the frames. There are 7 layers: physical layers, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, sessions layer, presentation layer, and application layer. The physical layer to transmit bits over a medium to provide mechanical or electrical specification. Data link layer to organize bits into frames to provide hop-to-hop delivery. Network layer to move packets from source to destination to provide internet working. Transport layer to provide reliable process-to-process message delivery and error recovery. Session layer to establish message and terminate sessions. Presentation layer to translate, encrypt and compress data. Application layer to allow access to network resources. Open source interconnection model. ISO developed a model named OSI in 1983 which covers all aspects of network communication. The purpose of OSI model is for open communication between different systems without recurring changes to logic of the underlying hardware and software. Communication architecture is a strategy for connecting host computer to other communication equipment. Layer architecture simplifies the network design. It is easy to debug the network application in the layer architecture network. The data using OSI model distinguishes well between the services interface and protocol. Protocols of the OSI models are very well hidden. Protocols can be replaced by new protocols as technology changes. And support connection oriented services as well connection service. Physical layer. The function is signal encoding, medium bit synchronization, transmission of the serial or parallel, transmission mode, simplex, half duplex or full duplex, topology, what topology, mesh, star, ring, bus, hybrid, multiplexing, FDM or TDM, interface, how the two closely linked device connected, bandwidth, which baseband or broadband communication is being used, signal type analog or digital. Then data link layer. Addressing. The headers and trailers are added containing the physical address or adjacent mode. Flow control. This avoids overwriting of the receiver. Media access control. LAN decides who can send data and when, how much. Synchronization headers of the bits which tell the receiver when the frame is arriving. Error control. It checks the CRC to ensure the correctness of frame node-to-node delivery. Finally, the response by error-free delivery. Then the network layer. Routing, congestion control discussed before. Logical addressing, source of the destination of logical address transformation, interpreting the logical address to get the physical equivalent, accounting and billing, and source of destination error-free delivery. Then transport layer, host to host message delivery, application to application communication. Segmentation, reassembly and connection. Session layer, the function is responsibility of session layer follows sessions and subsessions. The session layer divides the session into subsessions by avoiding the retransmission of entire message, adding and checkpoint. Synchronization, session layer decide in the order in which the data need to be processed. Dialog control, session layer also decide which users applications sends data. Session closure, the session layer ensures that the session between the host closed gracefully. Then presentation layer, translation between senders and the receiver's message formats is done by the presentation layer if the two formats are different. Encryption, presentation layer perform the data encryption, decryption for security. Compression, for efficient transmission, the presentation layer perform the data compression before sending and decompression at the destination. Application layer, network abstraction. Application layer provide the abstraction of the underlying network. File access transfer, it allows the user to access, download, upload file. Mail service, it allows the users to use mail service. Remote login, it allows the logging into the host which is remote. World Wide Web, accessing web pages, also part of the layer. This is the application layer. Application layer that provides the actual service to user. Suppose you want a big file to the system, you without crashing, you send private data over a third party network, you send multimedia video data about network capacity limited. So, application of function mail service, network virtual terminal, directory service display provide access for global information about various services, file transfer and access. It is a standard mechanism to access a file. Managers, users can access the file in the remote computer and manage it. They can also retrieve the files from a remote computer. With this presentation, if you like, subscribe, put the bell icon. Thank you.